people look to see it or leave you a long time, leave you to be out of jail because of jungle 12 system and them things. Yeah, so him now after that pan team shoulder to know that me a guy them don't have to stay out, them are going to have to put this card. Very long them really find somebody to come give a statement against me, so them a come testify against me, so them say, alright, this is the chance to send me where they understand. So leave you make sure back off of the case and get story.
So guys, that is the voice of Mad Dog from Augustown. It's like him I say, the police I set him up by making people come a court, come talk on him, come be witness on him, and the police then know what them a do. And it's like a whole setup thing him a try to say, them a set him up, right? But the truth, the fact of the matter is, if the never know say, yeah, them the kind of person they know, whether them a set you up, yes or no. Them certain things where them a pin on you, they only in a pin on you, you know, because in a Augustown, it's like them a say this man known as the Dan. So if anything, remember in our community, you know, where Dan they know, if anything happen in our community, you know, the first somebody the police them a got page, you know, at the Dan, you know. And the people them a say this man, Mad Dog, at the Dan. So if you never have that title to your name, certain things where you say the pin do certain things only na go on, that only na go on, only na you if it was just a regular law abiding citizen. Guys, you tell me what you think about this here, because me not even gonna say much. We're not gonna listen to the voice note. Me wanna listen to the voice note earlier on in the clip. Listen and let me know what you think in the comment section, yeah. Guys, remember to like, subscribe and share and turn on the post notification so you can get notified whenever me put video. Alright family, what good.